Viridian green is a colour I've had in my oil kit from the very beginning, but it's not a colour that I've used much, and it's certainly not a colour that I would add to my skin tone palette. But I've noticed a lot of artists do include Viridian green in their complex skin palettes, and by complex I mean more than 4 colours plus white. So I think it's about time that I tried it for myself. The colours I'm using in this complex skin palette is Viridian green, alizarin crimson, transparent red oxide, cad red deep, cad red light, yellow ochre, titanium white, cerulean blue, ultramarine blue and ivory black. And the first thing I'm doing now is mixing up a good range of colours that I can use and just seeing what Viridian green does when I mix it with red. It seems that the way Viridian green is used in these skin tone palettes is to mix it with the reds just a little bit to make the neutral browns or the kind of browns that you would use in skin tone, and it actually works quite well. So rather than taking a little blue and a little yellow and a little red in various amounts, you just take a red and pop a little bit of the green into it and you get a brown. I managed to get a great dark using Viridian and red oxide. Normally I would use the blue and the red oxide, but the Viridian was a lot softer in the colour, sort of ended up more neutral than what the blue would, which goes a bit more purple. I got some beautiful dark skin tones as well. I was very happy with the ease in which I can get the tones I wanted using the Viridian green into the different reds. So that was a great thing to play around with. I see the value in all of the colours on the palette, except I didn't really use the ivory black, so I don't think I need that unless, of course, I was going to go really dark. I could have opted for a more black coloured hair, but I quite like the brown in the end. I'm very, very happy with this palette.